You hit the whole bone. So we're not going to review bone stuff, so I could let Jackie have her class back. Which layer of skin is known as your true skin?
The dermis.
The dermis. Cells that waterproof you. Keratinocytes. Yeah, keratin is a protein. It's actually pronounced keratinocytes. I said it wrong for way too long, and then I heard it in a YouTube video one day, and I was like, oops, that's anatomy for you. The cells that produce pigment.
Melanocytes.
Melanocytes. Bye. You're good. The glands located in your skin that produce oil.
Sebaceous.
The glands in your skin that produce sweat.
Sudiferous.
It's
Sudor something.
Sudoriferous. Sudoriferous.
That one.
Cellular eating.
Something phagoin.
Phagocytosis. Cellular drinking.
Penocytosis?
Yeah.
Oh, what is
You
it?
know, like Pinot Grigio?
Yes.
Yeah.
Penocytosis?
Yeah. P-I-N-O and then cytosis. Sweat glands that help to regulate temperature are which ones?
Eccrine.
And the ones that have pheromones?
Acrin.
Apocrine.
African.
Apocrine. Eccrine are the
Right.
regular sweaty ones. Well, golly gee. Last question. I'll let Jackie have her class. Functions of the integumentary system.
Protection.
Protect, temperature regulation.
Sensory reception.
It's the biggest sensory organ, all of it. Did you say pain? What do you mean?
I don't know.
I said sensory.
Vitamin D synthesis.
Sensory.
Vitamin D synthesis, which is an anabolic process. It's a catabolic process. That's okay, that's not a question, just to give you an example. But I know, I was like, wait, are we building? We're breaking it down. We're breaking it down. We're building.
You're building.
We're building. I was right. I was right.
Reaction. So you were right.
Ha!
I believe. Yeah.
Don't worry, that's not a test question. But vitamin D synthesis, that is. The last two. You put lotion on your skin and you absorb it. You had to. You absorb that moisture. You absorb it. And then when you sweat and you are really, you're secreting it. Secrete. Excrete comes out the bottom. Secreting comes out
My mind's
everywhere.
little. Your skin's
You're creating some kind of
it's
way.
in other places today.
You guys are killing it. I mean, like, that's it. All right. I lied. I'm sorry. 4 extra credit, okay? What is ground substance made out of besides water? Specialized cells.
Adipose tissue.
Ooh, no. Specialized cells that suck up water, that attract water. Y'all know.
Hydrophilic.
Yeah.
Gags. Who said that?
Can we raise our hands? Who said it?
I thought she said it, but that's fine. Gags, glycosaminoglycans. They're water-loving cells. So they're hydrophilic. They draw the water to the area. They draw fluid to the area. What makes an organic compound organic?
Carbon.
Carbon. Difference between a freckle and a mole?
The mel. The mellow something. The melanocytes. The. I don't
So
know.
freckles, there's a normal amount of melanocytes. They just produce a little extra melanin. So that's why the spot is flush, just a little darker.
The mole protrudes.
The mole protrudes, so it's an abundance of melanocytes. So you have more melanocytes. So the area is darker, but it also is raised. And that's going to be a short answer, so you can just write freckle, whatever, mole, whatever. Okay, last one for real. What is the difference between endocrine and exocrine glands?
Endocrine regulates hormones.
Sort of. So we have an endocrine system that's not necessarily the hormones.
On the inside.
It's on the inside. Remember, endo is inside.
Yeah.
So your endocrine glands secrete kind of locally into the tissue. They're ductless. It's just kind of in an area. Exocrine glands are like your sweat glands or your sebum glands. They have a duct. They follow a pathway into an area. That's, I think, in chapter 3. It's like a by the way box somewhere. It's either 3 or 4 where it talks about glands. But it's a by the way box. Okay, you guys, any questions? I know that was like fast pace. I didn't have a buzzer that says you're doing awesome, but